100 million downloads is a staggering number that demands your attention. That is a massive crowd of people all trying to manage their health inside a single digital ecosystem. This platform actually got its start in Germany back in 2014, and that specific origin story is the key to its biggest strength. Most of the famous tracking tools on the market feel like they were designed exclusively for the North American lifestyle. If you have ever tried to log a meal while traveling through Europe and found the database empty, you know exactly how frustrating that can be. This app has incredible depth for international grocery products and restaurant chains. It understands what is on the shelves in a way that its competitors simply do not. Recently, they decided to lean heavily into the artificial intelligence trend with a major rebrand. They are positioning themselves as the premier AI calorie tracker. The centerpiece of this update is the photo login feature. You are supposed to be able to snap a picture of your plate and let your software handle the math. It sounds like a dream for anyone tired of searching for individual ingredients. However, the reality is a bit more complicated. The estimates provided by the AI can vary by as much as 200 calories. That is a significant gap if you are trying to be precise with your nutrition. It works well enough for someone who wants a general idea of their intake, but it might fall short for anyone chasing very specific fitness goals. Then there is the issue of the user interface. A recent redesign has caused a fair amount of friction. What used to be a simple one-tap process has turned into a journey through multiple screens. It feels like the developers are more focused on keeping you in the app to boost their engagement statistics than they are on making your life easier. When an app adds extra steps to a routine task, it usually signals a shift in priorities away from the user experience. Despite those hurdles, the value proposition is still very strong. At roughly $48 a year, it is significantly more affordable than the industry leaders who often charge nearly double that price. They are also famous for running deep discounts quite often. One of the most impressive parts of the package is the intermittent fasting integration. Instead of paying for a separate subscription to track your fasting windows, everything is built right into the main diary. Whether you prefer a 16/8 split or a more custom schedule, the entire dashboard adjusts to fit your timing. They even included a clever weekend mode that gives you more calorie room on Saturdays and Sundays. This allows you to maintain your weekly average without feeling restricted during social events. It is a thoughtful touch that feels very grounded in reality. You do have to keep in mind that the barcode scanner is now a premium feature. That move has frustrated many people who were used to having it for free. You have to decide if the all-in-one convenience outweighs the extra clicks and the cost. It is a robust and visually clean tool that offers a lot of utility for the price. It might not be the fastest experience anymore, but for those who want their fasting and food tracking in one cohesive place, it remains a very compelling choice. Just be aware of that AI margin of error before you rely on it for every single meal. It is a fascinating example of how a legacy app tries to reinvent itself for a new era of technology while trying to keep its massive user base happy.